Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Today, we're going to learn how to calculate the total profit generated by a specific product using the powerful combination of index and match functions. Let's take a look at the formula we'll be using. Equals. Index. Open parenthesis. Select revenue range. Press F4. Comma. Match. Open parenthesis. Double quotation mark. P003. Double quotation mark. Comma. Select product code range. Press F4. Comma. 0, close parenthesis. Close parenthesis. Minus. Index. Open parenthesis. Select cost range. Press F4. Comma. Match. Open parenthesis. Double quotation mark. P003. Double quotation mark. Comma. Select product code range. Press F4. Comma. 0 close parenthesis. Close parenthesis. Press Enter key. Excel calculates the total profit for Widget C. And there we have it. The total profit generated by Widget C is $250. This formula utilizes the index and match functions to fetch the revenue and cost data for a specific product, subtracting the cost from the revenue to determine the total profit. Now, let's break down the formula step by step. The index function returns the value of a cell in a specific row and column of a range. In our formula, the first index function retrieves the revenue corresponding to the product code specified by match function. The match function searches for a specified value in a range and returns the relative position of that item. Here, the match function looks for the product code P003 in the range of product codes and returns its position. Similarly, the second index function retrieves the cost corresponding to the same product code. By subtracting the cost from the revenue, we obtain the total profit generated by the product. Now, let's see the formula in action. That's all for today's tutorial on using index and match functions to calculate total profit in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.